In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively start a chat within a Microsoft Teams meeting. We'll walk through these steps together, ensuring you feel confident to communicate seamlessly with your colleagues during your virtual meetings. Whether you're a beginner or someone just looking to brush up on the basics, this guide will serve to make your team's experience a smooth one. To begin, you'll first need to head over to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Teams app. It's available both online and as a desktop application, so use whichever suits your needs best. Once you're in Microsoft Teams, ensure you've logged in with your credentials so you can access all the features we'll be discussing today. The focus here is on chatting within a meeting, so assuming you're already in a meeting or just about to join one, there's a straightforward way to begin interacting with others in the meeting via chat. This is particularly useful for sharing quick notes or links without interrupting the ongoing discussion, or for asking questions that might not need immediate verbal attention. While in your meeting, you'll notice a menu bar typically located at the top or bottom of your screen. Look specifically for the chat icon. It might show up as a speech bubble. When you click on this icon, a chat panel will open, usually on the right-hand side of your screen. This dedicated space lets you send messages to everyone participating in the meeting. It functions like any other chat interface you may be familiar with, such as text messaging or email. The chat feature is an excellent way to enhance your communication, especially if you're following along with a presentation or if someone else is speaking. If you want to contribute to a conversation but wish not to interrupt, simply type your message in the chat box. Be sure to keep your messages concise and relevant to the meeting topics to maintain a productive and focused session. A quick tip: use the ability to send links, files, or reaction emojis to better express your thoughts, or share resources without speaking. This can be particularly useful during big meetings or webinars. Also, remember that everything you write is visible to all attendees, so it's important to be mindful of the tone and content of your messages. Once you're done chatting, you don't need to worry about closing it manually. The chat window typically remains available for the duration of the meeting for ongoing interaction. When the meeting concludes, your chat history can be accessed later, which can be handy for referring back to any shared content or decisions made. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to utilize the chat in a Microsoft Teams meeting, opening up smooth and effective communication with your team. Thank you for watching and happy chatting.